Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from eToro directly to your PayPal account. First, make a PayPal deposit first. Before you can withdraw to PayPal, you must have used PayPal as a deposit method at least once. So first, go to Deposit Funds on eToro. Select PayPal as the payment method and make a deposit. Once you've done this, PayPal will be available for withdrawals. Next, open Withdraw Funds. From your eToro dashboard, click on Withdraw Funds. Enter the amount of money you'd like to withdraw. Next, select PayPal. Under Payment Method, choose PayPal and confirm the withdrawal request. Your money will be sent to your PayPal account. In most cases, it arrives within a few minutes, but sometimes it can take up to a few business days. And that's it. That's how you withdraw money from eToro to PayPal. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.